Knowing your air conditioner parts, especially the types of metering devices like fixed orifice and thermostatic expansion valves, can totally change how you handle cooling issues. So first off, the fixed orifice stuff like pistons and capillary tubes are pretty much simple devices that regulate refrigerant flow by size. No moving parts, just a set hole that lets the right amount through. You want to remember that these are super cost effective, but don't adjust for changing temperatures or pressures, so they can be kinda limited. Then there's the thermostatic expansion valve, or TXV, which is way smarter because it adjusts the refrigerant flow based on the cooling load. This means your AC stays more efficient and cools better during those hot days. When you're checking or replacing parts, always make sure you know which metering device your system uses, because swapping one for the other usually won't work right. Also, keeping an eye on the TXV's sensing bulb is key, since if it's not properly attached or insulated, your AC might freeze up or underperform. If you notice uneven cooling or weird noises, it might be time to check these parts before calling in a pro. And don't forget about regular maintenance. Clean filters and coils help your metering device do its job better without extra strain. One of the biggest mistakes with AC metering devices is mixing up fixed orifices with thermostatic expansion valves during replacement. This can cause poor cooling or even damage your system. Fix that by always matching the exact type specified for your unit. Another common slip is ignoring the TXV sensing bulb's position and insulation, which messes with temperature sensing. Just make sure it's securely clamped on the suction line and well insulated. Lastly, skipping routine maintenance leads to clogged coils or dirty filters that throw off refrigerant flow and pressure, so keep those clean to avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC systems and everything home improvement. Plus, contractors get connected with real clients looking for their skills, making workflow smoother for everyone.